Hello friends, my name is Mrigen Singh and you're watching Premium Crazy 11 YouTube channel. So today I will give you a quick review on Affiliate Safari. Basically it is a case study video where Kim Jennings will be showing you how he is making so much money by selling affiliate products, and you will copy case study every single steps he has given to you, so that you can become a affiliate marketer and earn thousands of dollars in a month. Before that, we have to proceed our video and give a quick review about this software. Remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. So here you have clearly seen that he is going to show you how to do real affiliate marketing, so that you can finally start seeing genuine difference between making income without experiencing all the failures and step backs usually is associated with trying to start an online business. Here you can see the image of the Kim Jennings, and he has the Kim Jennings, and he has saying that if you want to know exactly how get amazing results with affiliate marketing, pulling in large affiliate commission and even handily winning affiliate contest, beaten out other well-known marketers easily, so that you can finally kick back and make easy street internet money without having to work that nasty day job. And you hate 9 to 5 job, then this software, this case study video will definitely help you to boost your business, part-time business to your full-time business, and not have to experience a bunch of the usual failures that goes along with trying to learn things online. Here is the story of the Kim Jennings. Kim Jennings, about 11 years ago, if you would have to said to me, I was going to making money on the internet for a living, affiliate marketing or anything else, I would have to say, you were out of my mind. Too risky, I have said. Sounds good, but probably a pipe dream. I would have muted. If you want to read this story, the link will be given in the description. You can click on that link and you come over here and you can read all his story of the Kim Jennings. Only one problem he has, saying that when I first started trying to do affiliate marketing, I was not very good at it. In fact, you could say I was really bad at it. You can see that one thing, if you send a traffic, the conversion rate should be very low, the ad costing will be very high, and the conversion will be very less, so that you cannot fulfill your money which you have invested in ads platform, and you doesn't make an equal amount of money which coming on the affiliate marketing products. So here he has saying that only one problem he is facing, that he cannot able to make money. How you can sell a products he doesn't know about it. Here he is saying that barely succeeding in spite of myself, I would have won first place for sure. He has saying that everything I discovered a secret. He has saying a secret strategies which he has implanting in our video, implanting in affiliate marketing, old marketing advice called the rule of the 7. He has given 7 rules, and the wonderful world marketing angles. He has saying different angles which ads platform, how you can go and how you can run an ad so that you can get lots more sale to get more incomes. But recently I was thinking about behind the scene footage. Here he has what if I did that for an affiliate marketing campaign. He is saying that what he has did for affiliate marketing campaign. Suppose that how you can choose a product, winning product, and how you can do a affiliate marketing, and how you can run an advertisement. So that he has given every idea, secrets, the secret that I have used to generate countless thousands in online income over the years. He has making thousands of the dollars within a month. The strategies that have allowed me to produce instant income on demand without the stress of worrying about how to pay my bills. The tactics that enabled me not have to work for anyone else for the last several years and thrive while I was doing it. the exact places I put my affiliate message for maximum results, simply yet effective methods of affiliate marketing that are easily repeatable and produce amazing results. Listen, I didn't just gather my findages and experience. I brought you with my on the adventure. He has saying that you can learn about my adventure. How can I earn? Here you have clearly seen that launching will be 9 hours 50 minutes. It will be launched as we have through the wild jungles of affiliate marketing. Have no fear. Here you will now unlock those secrets. Here he is saying that the secrets which I have implementing in my affiliate marketing, you can know about the secret. This is the real time experience. Here you have clearly seen that this is the real time experience, and here you have get what you have get inside affiliate safari. You will be gaining instant access to. Here if you buy this affiliate safari, then what benefits you will be getting over here. Here you have clearly seen that you have getting 10 videos. In first video you have seen that revealing why I choose the particular product I choose for this case study. This includes my exact production for chasing affiliate products, my secret of finding warrior plus products that are exceptional yet staved for traffic so that you can use it for yourself, detailing my points of exposure strategy so that you can gain maximum exposure in your affiliate marketing endeavors. So here you have clearly seen that in first video you have getting only introduction, how you can choose a product, how you can sell it online. Everything will be covered in video 1, and here you have clearly seen that video 2, walkthrough of build not a bully emails and secret behind the blind email tactics used. Basically how emails revealing the secret of famous quote marketing angles, different types of angle. Here you have want to see that this want to read these lines, then the link will be in the description. And here you have clearly seen that video 3, results from but no bully email open rates, click through trackings and sales wall through the 7 secrets email and secrets behind email tactics used, revealing the secret of legend building for maximum sales. You will discover simple editing tactics I use to quickly smooth out my message without a lot of hassle, exact ways I use tracking to plan highly converting promotional strategies, the secret of value staking through multiple messages to produce insane overall conversion results. You know, one thing about affiliate safari that I haven't touched on is that fact that is probably quite a bit different that other training or products you have bought. I do things my own way, always have true story for you. Here you have seen that Kim Jennings will tell you 5-year-old has won several prestigious suffering contests and events. He has won some of the events by doing affiliate marketing, so that he has come over the top in the affiliate marketers. Now what you have to understand is that one of the main ways professional surveys make money is being on the pro tours of the world surf leagues. Here you have seen that he has given a quick review about video 4, video 5, video 6, and here you have seen that 10 videos, video 7, video 8, and here you have seen that video 9, video 10. Video 10 you have seen that sharing all final results and numbers that resulted in me winning the affiliate contest for promotion. Here he has seen that saying that in video 10 he has telling you all the results which he has getting over the from the last 5 years or 8 years. He has giving you a quick demonstration in 10 videos, and here winning in affiliate contest from promotion. He is doing a promotion for promoting a software, promoting a affiliate products, and how he has winning a product and how he has become a top affiliate marketers in all those affiliate marketers. He is telling all his story. I will give you a link in the description so that you can go over and you can come over here and read all the details which you have seen over here. If I read all these details line by line, then the video will be very long, and Affiliate Safari. Here you have seen that early bird list. Click here to join. Launching will be 9 hours 5 minutes. He has 10 all the stories and all the campaigns which you have been getting over here. If you have any query, then you have contact kimjenningspro@gmail.com. I thought that you have to like this video, and you have decided that this case study video will definitely help you if you not getting any sales by doing affiliate marketing. So that the link will be in the description. You can click over here and come and read all this line by line paragraph and stories. I hope this video will definitely help you. I will meet you in next video, but till then, bye bye, take care, happy journey.